Hey everyone, this is Mike, that critter guy. Had a customer that's got an issue with chipmunks burrowing under their back steps. I'm setting a double-sided have a heart trap. We put a few sunflowers and nuts at the opening. I like the double door, gives them an easy access to come in both ways. Gonna set some seed underneath on the trigger plate. A few seeds at the door on either side. Always make sure you flip the little locking mechanism on both doors, otherwise it'll be caught and then easy to get out on its own. We're gonna leave this, see if we can catch this guy. Hey everyone, this is Mike, that critter guy. We're coming back to check on this trap. Customer said that we had caught a chipmunk. Going to take a look here. As you can see, we got him. These double-doored have a heart traps are excellent. Anyway, just wanted to share. So I always choose the non-lethal way to catch these little guys. That way they can be relocated into just a wooded area that they're not being a pest for a customer. And not digging these holes and things that we showed you earlier. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And don't forget, come crawl with me.